Ink in the style of the French comic artist Yves Chaland in Procreate with the Stayf Yves Chaland ink. The brush is part of the Procreate brush set Stayf Comic Ink and is available on Gumroad with a 25% discount. Yves Chaland had a very distinct inking style with lush, thick and thin strokes. He drew and inked in the atomic style, reminiscent of the comics from the 50s. He drew inspiration from The Spirit by Will Eisner and the comic Spirou by Jijé and Franquin, but developed his own signature style and published comics like Bob Fish, Freddy Lombard and Spirou. I've created the Stayf Yves Chaland ink for Procreate. It's part of the brush set Stayf Comic Ink with 17 other ink brushes, now available with a 25% discount. If you already bought the brush set, this Chaland brush you will get for free. I'll leave a direct link in the description of this video. Drawing is fun and practice makes perfect. See you next time. Doodles!